Hello everyone, and in this video I show you how to ask for a loan on Starling Bank. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's dive in. So Starling business loans are tailored for limited companies and limited liability partnership, offering unsecured business loans ranging from £25,000 to £250,000. To secure the loan, a personal guarantee is required, and you'll make fixed monthly payments over a repayment period of 12 to 72 months. When you draw down the loan, there is a one-time arrangement fee of 4% of the loan amount. To qualify for a Starling business loan, your business must be based in the UK, have a trading history of at least 2 years, and pass credit and fraud checks. Starting the application is easy. Just fill out the online form on the Starling website. Keep in mind that the person completing the form needs to be authorized to act on behalf of the business and must be a director or partner of the applying business. Key note to remember: Starling Bank at the moment doesn't offer loans for personal account customers. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.